Hello everyone, this is Ibrahim with Quiet Lawn and the Green Helpers, and today I'm going to show you something we're working on for Quiet Lawn. So the idea of this is, this is one of the places where employees, owners, managers can look at to get valuable information from, to be able to stay on track, to be able to, meet our goals this year, and to kind of have the live statistics of the business in order to make informed decisions. You guys saw the app version of it, but this is the TV version of it. Basically, this would be displayed on a TV in our shop all the time during the day. So someone would come in and see this information and be able to make important decisions based off of it and learn new information at the same time. So this project is not complete yet. I'm still working on it, but I just wanted to show you guys what I have so far and what I'll be adding in the future. And of course, once I'm done with it, I'll show you guys the end result. But basically, this is it. Someone would come in, they would be able to see our live total revenue, current month's revenue, value of bookings. These numbers gets updated as soon as there's an update on these numbers. Our production, so every day the amount of production we're making for lawn treatments, for mowing production, that gets added here to the total, and we have basically statistics of the amount of work we're completing against the revenue we're getting. And we have some top performer awards here, top performer and elite employee award. This is calculated based off of average P4P. So based on what someone's average P4P is in the past 30 months, if they're on top based on pay and performance, they would be on top. For example, if it's a different employee with another higher average P4P per hour, they would be on top as well. And this is something that changes automatically based on the data. And we also have an elite employee award here. This is based on all-time stats. So this is based on the past 30 days, and this is based on all time in 2023. So the average P4P per hour throughout the year is higher for Paul, and in the last month, Nick's P4P on average was higher compared to the rest of them. And that's how the app kind of shows the updated performer and a picture of them. This is a way for employees to come in and see a little competition between them, and is gonna say that, okay, I see that you're the top performer, I'm gonna beat you to it next month. This is how basically it motivates your employees as well. We also have a section here for bus session. So this is basically updated every day with new information. The first thing when someone our employees come to our shop, the first thing they do is they go through this page and learn new information from them. So in this section we have, I found grubs in the soil and while digging in my yard, should I be concerned? So this is some new information we want to educate our employees about, and they will be able to read this information, get valuable knowledge from it. They can also play the text here, so they have the ability to play out whatever the bus session is while they do their own thing in the shop during the meeting. There's a picture here. There is a quiz. So to make sure our employees are paying attention to the bus session and learning valuable information from it, we also have a quiz in there. And this quiz basically asks them question based on whatever information is given here. And the manager is responsible for asking this quiz. And they have a little fun game based on who gets the most amount of correct answers. There's more bus session information on, for example, it's basically has to do with lawn care stuff. If there's a new service, we add them here. If there is a new information about lawn care, we add them here, just so that they're up to date and up to speed on anything that's happening lawn care related. We also educate them on services that we offer. So right now we are offering these kinds of services, and the benefits or the sales commissions they will get by selling these services, the P4P percentages they will be getting by selling these services. We have a section here for lead sources, conversion sources. So the sources we're getting our leads from, and conversion conversions happening per source. All these kinds of information will be added here, and my goal is for this to be something, one-stop place for getting all kinds of information related to quiet lawn, and someone would just come into this app, get the information they need, and be able to make informed decision based on the data presented here. In the future, I plan on to add more statistics. For example, the number of mowing customers we have, number of budgeted hours calculated for each service, the number of fertilization customers we have, the amount of square footage we treat for each service and add-ons, and a bunch of other stuff I'm gonna add in here in the future. If you guys have any more ideas of what I could add here that would make a good addition, please let me know in the comment section down below. But I hope you guys are interested in seeing the follow-up video of this. I'll be back soon with a follow-up video showing you the final end result. As always, if you guys are interested in any of this that we show in the channel, we can do the same for you as well. If you are interested, please let me know in the comment section down below, or you can get in touch with me. My email is office@thegreenhelpers.com, and I'll be happy to let you guys know how we can help you setting something like this up for you. By the way, all this information here gets updated on a daily basis, so it's not just the same information every day. It gets updated on a daily basis, and the numbers here, they get updated every time there is a change in the numbers. Another thing I wanted to show you guys was that, the quiz, but where are the answers? Here, you can just click on this button to show the answers here as well. So we don't want our employees to cheat, so we hide them before they're able to answer the questions. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up button, and we'll see you guys in the next video.